Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to discuss our unit 16, that is our semester 1 last chapter. Okay, so previously we have seen chapter 15, what it was, that is subject and predicate, right? We have seen subject and predicate. Today we are going to see our subject and verb agreement. And what is subject and verb agreement, sir? You might have a doubt, right? So our verb, suppose is MR is there, right? So suppose our subject is I. So I is the wrong, right? Verb should agree with the subject. So if subject is I, then verb should be am only. We should use am as a helping verb or a supporting verb, right? Or if it is a main verb, then am only is the possible one. So that way it should agree with subject. So today we will see that only, subject and verb agreement. Okay, so let me show you the first slide. What it says, in a sentence, the subject and verb must agree with another number. Like singular or plural or subject is there, correspondingly our verb should be there. Okay, so further you read, some point is required to remember. A singular subject takes a singular verb, and a plural subject as well as you takes a plural verb, right? See, a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural subject as well as you takes a plural verb. With you, we will use plural verb only. Okay. So these 2 points are very important. You can see he, I, Garima. So those are a singular subject, correct? So with that, with he we will use is, with I there is am, and Garima with was, right? So we have used singular verb, and you see in a second, we, you, the children. So all are a plural subject. So when plural subject is there, we will use plural form. So we with are, you play, and the children watch, right? Plural verb we have used. So that way we need to do. Okay, student. See, this was a basic points which we have already studied, but here it is a main point in this chapter. Okay. So shall we see exercise? There is nothing much to learn in this. If you remember all the things, singular is there, then we will use singular verb. Plural is there, we will use plural verb. That's it. These 2 points you need to remember. You see in this exercise. Don't see the answer. You see what we need to do. We need to select the correct verb in the blank space. Okay. Suppose this answer is you don't know. The students decorating the classroom now. Students, it is a plural, right? S. So plural verb will be there. So R is the plural verb. So that is the answer. Father blank is going to take us to see the Taj Mahal tomorrow. So father is a singular, right? Singular subject. So is the correct answer, right? These fruits, blank space reap, fruits with S is there, right? So it is a plural. So we will use R. Harish, blank space, is and my best friend. So obviously Harish, singular, right? So whenever subject is a person name, we will use is only, right? So is the correct answer. The king, blank space, was or were angry with his courtiers, right? Courtiers. So the king is a singular, so we will use was. I, has or have. So which will be the answer? A cat for a pet. So with I we always use a have. I have, singular. The paint on these walls. Walls is a plural. So we will use plural verb, that is has. Come up. I. So obviously I with was is the correct one, singular. Correct. Was is a singular. I was. We, if suppose in the place of I, we is given. What? We. Then we will use were. We were waiting at the bus stop when he spotted me. Spotted us will be there here. Okay. That way also is the correct sentence. So, okay. Understood these points? Okay, students. So, shall we go further in this chapter? Nothing, only we followed these points only. Nothing else we have done in this exercise. Okay. So, let's see our next slide. Subject verb agreement in negative sentence. When there is a negative sentence is given, that is not or you cannot do that thing, like that kind of a negative sentence is there. And that time what we can do? That is the question. Okay. So that time what we can do? Think about it. Any idea? Yes? No? No? Okay. So let me tell you. Okay. With I, we, you, they, plural subjects, we use do not. When I, we, you, they and plural subject is there, that time what we will use? We will use plural, sorry, we will use do not. Understood this first point? Okay. Then, and the base form of the verb in the simple present tense. Very important, the base form of the verb in a simple present tense. Whenever we are checking subject verb agreement and negative sentence is there, I will use a plural form, and that time we will use do not and the base form of the verb while simple present tense. When if it's suppose simple past tense is there, we will not use do not. In the place of do, we will write did not. Okay. So these are the basic points. You can see the example. I do not talk. We do not read. You do not run. They do not like. Karan and Hemant do not make noises. You see here what we have done? We have just wrote IVU, then do not, and after that in the last we have wrote our verb in a base form. Correct? That much only things need to do. You can see this point also. He, she, it is there. Here IVU, they and plural subject and singular subject here. He, she, it is singular subject. That time we will use does not. Previously, when plural is there, we will use do not. And when there is a this kind of is there, he, she, it and singular, that time we will use does not. Understood, student? Yeah. That are the things we will do. Okay. So shall we go further? You can read the some sentences are given here. That he does not drive, she does not like, it does not rain, Shikha does not have. You see, he, she, it, and a singular object subject is given. Then we wrote a does not, and verb in a main form. Drive, like, rain, have. Those are in a main form of verb, right? So that's why we can write. Okay, let's see further. It is easier to make subject and verb agree in a simple past tense. Why? Whether he, she, it, whatever is given, we will use did not plus base form only. I did not score well. They did not eat much. Similarly, it is easy to make subject and verb agreement in simple future tense. In simple future tense also is there. When IV is there, we will use shall not. And apart from IV, whatever is given our subject, we will use will not and base form. For past tense, what we do? For past tense, what we are doing? We are just making did not plus verb to create a negative sentence. Did not plus verb. That's it. Okay, nothing much. And when future tense is there, that time what we are doing? When I or we is given as a subject, so that time we will just write shall not. And he, she, it is given, that time we will write will not. Right? That is the difference. Nothing much difference is here. Understood, students? Yeah. Shall not or will not. Okay. Shall we go further in next slide? I hope you understood. So let's go for it. Okay. Yeah, here. What it is given that in the present continuous tense. See, previously we have seen simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. For those sentence, we are writing a negative sentence with subject and verb agreement. But what if present continuous tense given? That time what we will do? You have any idea? No. So let me tell you what you can do. That you will write subject. That's it. Then according to subject, you will write is MR. Then we will write not and verb with ing. I already told you when creating a negative sentence, we will just write not in between is MR and verb with ing. That will only things we will do in a present continuous tense. That's it. Nothing more difficult here. You can see here. He, she, it, you, we, they, these are our subject, right? So we, after that we'll write is MR, whatever is according to our subject, right? So that one is select. After that we will write not to create a negative sentence. And after that we will write verb with ing, writing, giving, walking, studying, reading, walking, and reading. So this format only we are following to create a negative sentence with subject and verb agreement. Understood this point? Nothing much more. You know the present continuous tense. We are just making our present continuous tense with a negative sentence, that with not we are adding in the formation of our present continuous tense. Subject plus ismr plus not plus ing form of the verb. Understood? That much only change we are doing here. Nothing much more. Okay? Shall we go for the exercise? Yeah, let's see. Here, in exercise B, you see what is given. Match the words left with the words on the right to form a sentence. With the left, we need to match right. That is the task. You see the first one. This film does not have much action. So whenever film is there, so we are talking about action. So this sentence should be appropriate. TV also come. But after the subject, it should be verb, right? So does not is the appropriate, because this is a singular, so we will write a he does not, right? If plural is there, then we will write do not, but this is singular, so we will write does not, right? So this one is the correct appropriate answer. Okay, so this is the our answer. You see, you, whenever you is there, it has to be are, right? Are fighting with each other now. So this should be the answer. This lazy dog. See, dog can fetch the ball, right? So the dog refuses to fetch the ball. This sentence is in present tense we are making. Simple present tense. Okay. Ankur and Mohit. So watched TV for half an hour yesterday, right? That is the appropriate. Ankur and Mohit might have watched the TV or are fighting with each other now. That is also appropriate. So this can be the correct. You watch a TV for half an hour yesterday. That will be the correct matching, right? So here we have done a mistake. right? So what will be the with the you correct sentence terms? So you watched TV for an hour yesterday. That will be the appropriate. Why? Why it is the appropriate? Or Ankur, I are, that is wrong, right? So Ankur, see, fourth one, Ankur and Mohit are fighting with each other. Which one is the appropriate? That you do your work neatly. That will be the correct one. You should do your work neatly, right? You do your work neatly. That will be the appropriate one. Because if we use this word, our fighting is you watched TV for half an hour yesterday. That is also correct one. But we cannot select this one because he watched TV with he. Which one we will prefer? Nothing will be there. So with you do not work. You do your work neatly. That will be the correct. The lazy dog refuses the pass the ball. That is the right. Ankur and Mohit are fighting with each other. That is the right answer. I watched TV, right? With I there is no aim is given. So I after I there should be verb. So this one will be the correct one. Right? I do your work neatly. That is wrong. Subject and verb should agree. So you do your work neatly. That is the appropriate. So I watched TV half an hour yesterday, and he is going to, sorry, he is going to the market now, right? That is in present continuous tense. So that way we can connect the correct answer. Okay, student, shall we go further? So I think I need to show you the answer. So let me show you it. Okay. So here you can see all the answer appropriately that I have selected. Okay, students, I hope you understood all the points. Let's see further in a part. Subject verb agreement in a question beginning with a question words. See, previously we have seen for negative sentence, but what if the question words is given? Question is given? So in that also subject and verb should agree, right? So let me show you how it agrees. Okay, it with I, we, you, they, and plural subjects, we form a question beginning with a question word, the simple present tense. How we are creating that question word, whatever, who, what, where, when, why, that is our question word. So first we will write that. Then when I, we, you, they, and plural subject is there, we will write do, right? When we are creating negative sentence, we used to do not. So similarly here also we will make a do, and then we will write our subject I, we, you, they, or plural subject, plus we will write base form of the verb. That's it. You see here where, who, what, when, why. That is our question words. After that we will write do. You see we have written a do appropriate our subject I, we, you, and plural subject. And after that we will write our verb in a base form, right? That's what we have done, and remaining part appropriately what describes the our subject in a predicate, right? Predicate remaining we will write as it is. You see that much only, just we need to follow this format of creating the question and subject verb agreement. That's it, nothing much more we need to do here. Okay, let's see further. What if he, she, it is given? That question also comes in a mind. So whenever he, she, or it is given, that time what you use for a negative sentence? We have used does not, right? So here also we will use does. So whenever he, she, it is there, question word plus our does plus our subject he, she, it, and singular subject, and then base form of the verb. That's it. You can see the questions also here. First question word why, how, from, where, when. So we have wrote a question words. Okay. First question word I wrote. After that we will write does. You see here does, does, does. And then we'll write our subject. He, she, it, or singular subject. Then we'll write our base form of the verb. Talk, plan, start, want. And then we will write our object or whatever the predicate is there, that we will write. Why do we talk so loudly? Right? It is very easy. We just followed this format. In the previous slide also we have followed that format only, right? So same thing, while creating these things, we will follow our sub formation, right? That thing only we are doing in this chapter. So shall we go for exercise? Yes. Or some more theory we want to see? Yeah, some more theory we will see. Previously we have converted our question with why, what, and what if yes or no questioning is there. Only yes or no answer we can give, that kind of question is there. So that time what we will do, same thing we will follow the format. When I, we, you, then plural subject is there, we will write a do. Question will start with a do, then our subject, then our base form of the verb. And when he, she, it is there, our singular subject, that time we will write does. Does, he, she, it, and singular subject and base form of the verb. Nothing is changing, that much only we are doing here. Understood, students? Nothing more we are doing. We are just, whenever I, we, you, they, we will use do, and whenever he, she, it is there, we will use does. That only done, and we will write a subject, and in the last we will write our, what we will write? We will write our base form of the verb. That's it. That are the things we are going to do. Understood, students? Okay. So shall we go further? Yeah. You can see the example also if you want to see. You see, we wrote a do because our subject is I, we, you, they, and plural. And then we wrote a base form of the verb. You see this one also does, and he, she, it, right? And after that we wrote our subject main verb in the base form. That's it. Nothing else we need to do. That this format only we need to follow. For forming question in the present continuous tense and the simple past tense and simple future tense, refer chapter 11 to 13. While we discuss our chapter 11 to 13, we have seen in that how to form a question. Okay, so don't confuse. You revise that chapter, you can easily get this answer. Okay, how to form the question. Here we have studied again. That's the only difference. Okay, so let's see the exercise for it. Yeah, here you can see what we are doing, that fill in the blank with the correct form of the verb in a bracket. We need to form the correct form. So John loves ice cream, but blank space do not like chocolates. So here John is a singular. When singular is there, verb with s or es will write, right? So here loves is the correct one. Ice cream, but our subject is a singular, so it has to be does not, right? Does should come. So here does is there, so does not like chocolates. That is the answer. We are just checking the subject and verb agreement. Nothing else we need to do in this filling the blanks. Okay, students. So let's see the second one, the baby. Every night and blank space up, right? So here baby, that baby is a singular. So singular means with es. So cries every night, and with es, as or es, right? Our verb should have as or es. So wakes up. That is the answer. Third one you see we is a plural, so our verb will without s or es, and that way will come, right? So want is the correct, because wants is the wrong. When singular subject is there, we can use wants. So here want to go for the picnic, but when subject is a plural, so we will use a do. So do not want to stay overnight. That is the answer. Fourth one is where blank space Deepak. Deepak is a singular, so we will use the singular is there. We will use does, right? So does is the correct one. Where does Deepak? Then our verb with a main form. So go is the correct answer. Goes is the wrong. Blank space she. When she is there, he, she, it. We will use does. So does. And verb with a main form. So no is the main form. He now well. Right. See, we are just following the format we have seen. And what are the rules we have seen? We are just following that only. Okay. 6-1 you see. 6-1 you see. Do or does the lions, that is the plural, so we will use do, right? Our subject is plural, so we will use a do. And our when question is there, our verb in a main form, so get or gets, so get is the main form, so that is the answer. Enough food in the zoo. They is our plural, so plural is there, that time we will write verb in a main form. Look, with s we will not write, so that is the correct thing. Okay. So let's see further. Question 7, you see, forget about the blank space answer written. Okay. You is the plural or singular. In a both, wherever you is there, we will use do only. Right? So do is the correct one. And our verb should be main form, right? So read is the main form. The newspaper daily. The newspaper. So this is singular. Newspaper is a singular. So verb with a s or es we will write. So prints. That is the correct. May interesting articles. Okay. 8th one, you see the last one, that the low branches of that tree. So branches of the tree. That is the plural. So we will write verb without s or es. So scratch is the correct answer at the people. We is the plural, so we will write verb with without s or es. So need is the correct one. Okay, need is the correct one. To watch out for them while passing by. So understood here what we are doing? We are just following our subject verb agreement rules. Okay, student. So here our unit 16 is over. So let's see our review 3. This is our review 3. Okay. So what we need to do as directed. So each question has something directed to us, how to fill or how to solve. Okay. You can see Rahul blank space to school by bus and always blank space early. Filling the blank with a simple present tense. Simple present tense form of the verbs in a bracket. We need to fill in the blanks with a simple present tense. That is our exercise. So Rahul is a singular subject, right? So whenever singular subject is there, what we do? We will write our verb with a s or es. So here with our verb is a go. So we will write with a es. So Rahul goes to school by bus and always reaches, right? With a s or es we need to write, so reaches early. That is the answer. Second one, Bridge likes to play football. So change this sentence to a question beginning with does. Right, this is our previous chapter only, we have seen here in unit 16 only, it will help you here. So here in a simple present tense, right? So we will make a question in a simple present tense with a does. So first we will write a does, then we used to write our subject, that is a bridge. First we will write does, then our subject bridge, and likes, that is our verb. But we will write, while forming a question, we will write our verb with a base form. So likes base form is a like, and to play, that is the same, and question mark. You see, that much easy. You see, third one, Shiva lives in a bungalow in a Vijay Vihar. Change this sentence questioning beginning where. So where Shiva is living, that is a Vinay Vihar. That is our answer. So that we will not write. Okay, so we will eliminate this. So we will write first where. Okay, when where is written, right? What is our subject? Subject is a Shiva. That is a singular subject, right? So singular subject is there. We will write with a does. Correct. So she where does. Then we will write our subject Shiva, and our verb is a base form. So lives base form is a live, and then question mark. Fourth one, you see the geese blank space around in the pond. Fill in the blank with a present continuous tense form. Present continuous tense form is there. Then we will write subject plus is plus our verb with ing, that is our task, right? So here you see the geese is the plural form, our subject is a plural, right? So we will use are, and then we will write our verb with ing, that is splashing. That's it. You see fifth one, the audience blank space clap when the magician blank space perform amazing trick. Fill in the blank in a simple past tense. So whenever simple past tense is there, we will just simply write our verb in a simple past form or second form. So clap second form is a clapped and perform second form is a perform. Okay students? Yeah. So let's see further in our review 3. Changing what are given in a question, that only we need to do. He slipped on the road. Change in negative sentence. That means we need to make it in a negative sentence. So he slipped. So slipped means that is in a past tense, right? So we just need to convert this in a negative past tense. So you have seen in unit 16 when he, she is there, we will write did, because simple past tense is there, we will use did. So he did, then not, and base form of the verb slip, that is a sleep on the road. That's it. You see seventh one. The dog chased the cat out of the garden. Change the sentence in the question beginning with a did. Why? Because it's simple past tense. We just need to convert it with a did. So what is the formation? Did plus our subject plus our verb plus our verb in a base form and remaining part and last question mark. So you see first we will write a did, then our subject, that is the dog, and base form of the chase, that is a chase the cat out of the garden, question mark, right? Rohan will snatch the children's toy, question 8, right? Change it to a negative sentence. So here will snatch, so this is our future tense, correct? So we will write Rohan, then our will or shall according to our subject, that is a will. Then to create a negative, we will write a not, will not, and the verb in a main form, that is a snatch the children's toys, right? Uncle blank space, I borrow your book on birds. Fill in the blank with the correct model. Uncle, may I borrow your book on birds? Right? That is the correct one. May I borrow your books on birds? Correct? That is the right answer. I think so, right? Yeah. So let's see further. That is our last question of this exercise. What it is? That rewrite the sentence correctly, making the subject verb agreement. Okay. What we need to do here? We need to make our subject and verbs agreement. Okay. So how we are going to do that thing? Think of it. You might get some ideas. Yeah, this is our review 2 also. Okay, it is not review 3. My mistake. So these boxes has books in them. Rewrite this sentence correctly, making the subject and verb agreement. These boxes, whenever this is a plural boxes, so has should not come. Verb should be in a plural form. So these boxes have books in them. That is the things. We will just change our verb appropriately. Okay. So here we have finished our review 2. I spoke that this is a review 3. That is my mistake. So let me write down here for you. That is our review 2. Okay. This is our review 2. Okay. So here we have finished our review 2 also. So here we have finished our English 2 syllabus for semester 1. So be in homework you need to write down all the exercise in your notebook. Okay, and our exam is going to start soon, so be prepare your all chapter and its exercise. Our question paper fully from the books only. In the exercise only. Okay, so be prepared for that. Okay, best of luck. Thank you.